Today was a great day at the steamworks. Several engines have been repaired. Help fix each engine. Kevin can give you hints if you need them. Percy's funnel was broken. You fixed it. Percy is ready to get back to work. James needs more coal. Yes, you fixed it. James is ready to be really useful again. Henry's whistle is caught with coal. You fixed it! Henry is ready to be really useful again. Emily has a rusty dome. You fixed it! Emily can get back to work. You repaired James and Henry and Percy and Emily. Well done. Play again. Thomas has a coal dust back on there. You fixed it. Thomas is ready to be useful again. Gordon hasn't got a tender yet. You fixed it! Gordon is ready to get back to work. Toby needs more water. You fixed it! Toby is ready to get back to work. Edward has a broken funnel. The last one is being fixed. And you fixed the last engine. Edward is more really useful than ever. You helped repair Gordon, Emily, Toby, Henry, Percy, James, Thomas, and Edward. You fixed all the engines. Congratulations.